Up to 3G, he'll fall almost all of that. 2.7G in a steep turn. Okay folks, another big manoeuvring wing over there. This is a bit like a fighter display, but what's coming up next you won't see from any other transport in the world. This is 20 tons of light transport aircraft about to do a barrel roll. Let's watch. Upside down to the C27 drone.
And there they go. So easy that the co-pilot was probably taking a nap and Loadmaster brewing coffee in the back.
No coffee cups on the flight deck for this one, so a beautiful manoeuvre there. Aircraft pulling up. Cloverleaf coming up. No, Lazy 8, even more impressive.